Whew, the continued struggle. I ordered a windshield from Germany and UPS basically bashed it. And so it's got to wait here until the claims supervisor shows up. Fan is back on with the 4 bolts, and we should be in good shape there. Now we just need to get the radiator in with the hoses and everything else. Then get it bolted up and get some water back in the system and see how it works.
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Guys! Fellas.
See if it starts. It started. Now let's see if there's major water leaks. There's the alternator belt. Still looks like it's pretty tight so far. Doesn't look like there's any leaks, which is good on the water pump. Glad to see that. Let's see what the temperature gauge reads. Oh, it's going up. It's going up. All right. Get our skylight over there, obviously. But the one thing I've had in storage here for a long time, we got a really good deal on this thing, was this Dometic air conditioner. It is very dusty, don't get me wrong. But since I'm going with sort of the black theme for the skylights, might be time to retire that nearly 40-year-old air conditioner and get this thing cleaned up. So I gotta look at the model numbers and see what I got here for. Gotta take some snapshots of that and see, because I gotta get the control panel for the ceiling for this unit. So yeah, we're gonna try. It's about 15,000 B2 air conditioner. Like I said, it's a bit dusty, but it's in good shape, and that'll be quite possibly part of the rooftop renovations coming soon.